Toe gaff. Toe gaff.
What's going on, guys? We're here with the vlog. And this time, come back into the photo. Hold on. And this time, we got some crazy news. Julie finally broke her car.
I didn't break it, you did.
Which might be kind of true. Because if you guys remember this video, in that burnout, I sent it to third gear, and I do kind of remember when I threw it in third, I felt something.
Oh, you're just telling me.
No, I felt, well, I mean, I felt something kind of in my car too, but like, my car's been fine. But with her car, she's been noticing like a weird crunching noise that she's gonna send me the video that she took, and I'm gonna add it to this video, so this is what that sounds like.
Yikes.
So, yeah, yikes. But luckily, her car's under warranty. Through the magical powers of knowing people, you can kind of get stuff maybe sometimes taken care of. So, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and talk about some things going on with hers and mine, if I can get this camera straightened up. So, I can't remember, the last video that I did, I was being a little emo.
You are emo.
And irritated and upset like always. But I did get my car back. So
Slower than ever.
slower than ever. But no, I finally got, I'll show you guys.
You know, this is the first time I'm seeing it.
Yeah,
Ain't that weird?
I'll shine a light in here. So like I was saying, if you look here, it is super nice and glossy, like it's actual paint. So the paint code for this is Torch Red. It is a C7 Corvette color. So it is a Chevrolet color.
Let's swap.
Yeah, it's all a swap. It might be an actual GM color. It might not just be limited to C7s, but it looks really nice. It's really nice and painted. He did the Cobra Jet intake, and of course we had to do the red, white, and blue theme underneath the hood.
I don't think the camera does it justice. Like, it's just...
Yeah.
I was literally just telling you before you decide to make the vlog, like, don't change it. If y'all haven't noticed, he likes to change things, everything. Wheels, roof wraps, exhausts. Don't change this.
Yeah, so it's definitely going to stay this way for a little while. I thought about it. I was like, oh, well, what if I do a little something over here? Or a little something over there, or there.
Like, this is perfect.
Yeah, so I'm going to end up just keeping it the way it is for now. It does really tie in well with the roof wrap, and the red really kind of blends, it matches well with the seats that are inside. So the theme, like, it's kind of blue up top with that roof artwork. So it kind of works. Everything just kind of works together. It's not like the teal theme that I had going on. It just wasn't working for me. So yeah, with that being said, Julie's car goes in tomorrow to the dealership, and hopefully everything gets resolved. She also has a spec stage 2 clutch that's going to be going in hopefully as well, so she could break in the new clutch. Got a track day in March. So to talk about a little bit of what's going on with my car, I had this weird rear end noise. A few months ago, when we came back from Mustang Week, we thought it was like a wheel bearing that went bad, but it turned out to be some bushings and lower bearing, something, I don't know, in the back. I might be able to link that photo. If I do, I'm going to link it up in the upper right hand corner. So yeah, we got that noise going on with my car, and we're hopefully going to replace that in the next month or so. Right now, we got a trip to Colorado coming up, and when is it?
February 16th through the 21st or something.
Yeah, so it's going to be towards the end of February, like a little bit right after Valentine's Day. So I do need to get those little things fixed back here. Once I get that fixed, and once I get some axles, we're going to be running this car and in the quarter mile. We're going to be towing it out with a Ranger. It's not going to be announced. I'm not going to talk about it because I don't know how the car's going to react. I might go out there and it might not like running the quarter.
You don't run 15s.
Probably.
You're a hard parker with cheap bead locks.
Yes, exactly. So, you know, I've been getting a lot of hate recently about this car really not running anywhere besides a parking lot, which, I mean, you guys that have been following me for a while know that I do more than just hang out in the parking lot. So, we've got some road racing planned in March. We've got some drag racing planned. I don't know what I'm going to do about the tire situation. I do have a set of performance pack wheels that are over there for like track day stuff, maybe like turns. I do need to get a set of tires for those by into March.
I really want to push. Don't get this because the pressure washer knocked off some of my.
Yeah, it knocked off the C on the CDC.
Sorry, CDC.
And it knocked off the T in CJ Pony Parts.
Oh, did it? Oh, I just noticed that.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, wait, look, soup charge.
Yeah.
So,
Awful.
needless to say, I need to get a new roll call.
Yep.
But Jay Zilla, who is a big track organization out here, they are doing Road Atlanta in June 21st or something. That is my goal for next year. I have 7 months to prepare for my getting on Road Atlanta has been. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Getting on Road Atlanta has been my goal since pretty much we got here, and the only time I've been on it was for a photo shoot for Power Stop. So I'm excited. I'm hoping that we could take the Ranger, tow my car out.
Oh, you could probably drive your car. It'd be nice to bring the Ranger with a flat trailer just in case.
Well, yeah, I mean,
But you could probably drive your car out there, yeah, just in case.
Have the Ranger with it, because that is that's
Yeah.
a dream for me to run on Road Atlanta, because that's what I've been building my car for.
Wait. So, hold up. You wouldn't want to run mine on Road Atlanta?
Hell no, I hate your car.
Well, explain to everybody why you hate my car.
Your seats, while I love Corbeau, and I am getting a set of Corbeau RRSs, those seats are not comfortable. I don't like the power delivery of a Whipple. As many top mount people might yell at me, I like the power delivery of the Sentry. My car, it's my car, right? So if I wreck it, I fucking wreck it. I mean, I freaking wreck it.
You know how many people would talk shit if you wrecked my car
Exactly.
at Road Atlanta?
I know people would talk shit if I wreck my own car.
True.
But
They would talk shit. They'd be like, her
Well, she can't
car,
drive.
or like karma, or like whatever that means. Like,
so, it's whatever, but that is my dream, to get on Road Atlanta with my car. And so, Jay Zilla typically does their days like on the weekday. So this time it's actually on a Saturday, Sunday, and it's way in advance to where I could plan for it.
yeah.
I'm doing it.
Well, hopefully we can get that, worked out. It would be nice if I could take mine out there as well. I really do want to take mine out. Obviously, I wouldn't be running this setup. I'd be running some square setup. I would love to run a 295 squared setup to take it out on Road Atlanta as well. I think my car would do really well on Road Atlanta.
I think both of them would.
I think mine on the back straight would be nasty.
On the back straight would be stupid.
Yeah.
Mine, I need, although, ow, there's a garage there. I'm running out of space for my tracks, but I have a little spot right here. Or I could start filling.
I hate to say it, but, one of our friends... Well, yeah, no, so I know Julie, okay, so anyways, yeah, Julie was talking about her track stuff and everything, but one of the big things is, we met our friend Blake. He has a Raptor, and he's into kind of overlanding stuff right now. He has a tent, a rack system. We do want to continue stuff with the cars, but we're really trying to focus on the truck too. Like, we do want to get the right tires. We want a rack system. We want a tent system.
Giving them equal love.
Yeah, well, I think mine's going to sit for a while. I'm going to enjoy it.
No, I'm going to let mine sit, but I'm going to enjoy it to how I'm building it. The only other thing that I really, cosmetically, that might change here in the next month or two is the Morimoto headlights.
Yeah. So she's looking at a set of Morimoto's
And that's about it.
for her front. They're full replacement lights, right?
Yeah.
So
That's really literally it.
yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Her third gear is going out, so her car is going in tomorrow to the dealership. My car has some weird noises with the worn out bushings in the back, but overall PowerLab tuned it really well. We are back on butane and pump gas. In next year, I think one of my goals is to have my fuel system, and once we have the fuel system, we might try to shoot for 9. We might just try to skip 800 and shoot for 9 something. If I can get into the 9s,
Yeah,
that
me
would.
too. I want to get in the 9s. I'm not too far behind you. Like, we're not that
I don't know.
far. I'm not that far behind you.
I don't know.
I'm literally only like 40 horsepower away from you.
Yeah, but that torque though.
I could pull it down like 3 more once I go fuel
Yeah,
system.
you'd have to pull it down like 4 more to catch up.
Look at my new nails, everybody. This one's for
Let me
George.
see. Let's see your nails. Stop. We have children that watch this.
You're a child.
Shout out to Brandon's little brother that watches our videos. That I just remembered that I'm gonna have to bleep stuff out for. Thank you for watching our videos. I know we have like 5 subscribers, and I'm glad you watch our stuff. But I think that's gonna wrap up this video, and I'm gonna try to get some more stuff out as we go through. But I haven't. Well, one, I gave the camera to a friend of ours to use for something, and finally got it back. So now I'm back to shooting. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave a comment or question below, or if you'd like to see anything in particular, maybe recommend Julie ride along with me with the bead locks and the slicks, and actually be able to feel the car for the first time, because she has yet to feel my car with traction. So yeah, maybe that'll be our next video. She'll hold this camera and then we'll go for a ride.
Like a toe gaff.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys later. Take it easy. Bye.